My name is Bradley Crenshaw, and I am the owner of Green Addicts. We started the company with the mission to provide energy efficiency solutions to all of our homeowners. Here at Green Addicts, we are the best trained in the industry. We spend time on a weekly and daily basis sharpening our tools to be able to provide you the best service and the best equipment possible inside your home. All of our guys are certified in HVAC to be able to answer any questions and to help you along with the process of getting the new equipment or new installation for your home. We have the mentality of what we call WEIT. WEIT stands for whatever it takes. We value our customers, so we're going to attack those problems if they occur in your home, and we're going to resolve those to your satisfaction. We want to say thank you to all of our customers in the DFW Metroplex. Thank you for trusting us, for being inside your home, for allowing us the opportunity to serve you. It is such an honor to be able to do that and to add you to the family of Green Addicts. Thank you.